It's a nice sunny day here in Arizona, so I figured I would do a quick little TJMaxx haul. On the porch here, I had to get a new lightning cord. This was TJMaxx. I think it's $10.99. And I got a new Care Bears case for my AirPods. And they had this on sale for $22. It's Banana Republic, peony and peppercorn. I'm not sure how it smells, but I like the box. So I said, let's get it. And then this is $13, and this was clean, classic clean. I think it's like cotton, warm cotton. Okay. And then I got one of these frothers for my coffee. I figured I would try it, see if I like it. What else is in here? Oh, bubblegum plump long term by Toothpaste. Oh, looks cute. Right, so that's TJMaxx. Oh, by the way, this is my purse that I'm carrying today, and I have my key stuffed in the back here. And let's take a peek at the inside. I'm still in my Coach wristlet, and then I got my Mickey Mouse coin purse. And then here I have some receipts, wet ones, and then these are my favorite little wipes. And then back here, I think I got receipts too. So this is what's in my bag. Also, I do have some toothpaste, lip injection. And what's the color? I think this is some type of pink. Let's see. Just a girl. Sorry about the bow wow. The bow wow's barking over there. All right, let me get back to this. You know your girl be all over the place. Oh, I got some shampoo, some black castor oil. I got that off the men's section. And then I got this little brown for my mom. I thought it was cute. It's like a denim hat. Well, maybe I'll wear it. We'll see. Steve Madden. And then I got some clippers. These were Mini Pro cordless $12.99. I think that's it from TJMaxx. And then I got some stuff from Target. I got some avocados, some sweet potatoes, and the avocado mix. They have the whole little setup there. And then I got this little bowl. Stay tuned for this bowl. I got a lip gloss haul I want to show you. I'm going to put everything in there. And then I got this Hamilton Beach Pack and Prep food processor. So that's to make the guacamole. I got some cherries, some corn, and some tomatoes. And I got a lime. And I think it's a white onion. A white onion in here. Yeah, a white onion. Here from Macy's. Let's see what's in here. Back, and I thought it was so cute. It's by Radley London. It's a little tote bag. It's the whole Valentine's Day theme. Oh, it's cute. This is what it looks like in the inside. It has two handles with the zipper in the back and a snap in the middle. Oh, it's too cute. It's called the Valentine's Day. And this is the side. And look at the back. It has two little hearts. Oh my goodness, it's super cute. Let me put this in here. Maybe I could get it to stand up a little. Oh, it's super cute. And then I also ordered this little piece. I thought this would go cute with the little bag. Oh, isn't that cute with the little dogs and the little bows and the hearts? Oh, it's too cute. And then it has love in the background. This one is called Bright Pink Valentine's. And it has like the heart shape to it. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, it comes with a little dust bag. This is what the inside looks like. And it has like a little, oh, like a card. Oh, look at the little dog in the inside. Isn't that cute? It has a little dog print in the inside. Super cute. And it comes with this little dust bag. Too cute. Radley London. Oh, that's the cutest little thing. And then